In the world of modern warfare, the tools of battle are continuously evolving, and one vehicle stands out for its incredible versatility and strength: the D9 Caterpillar Bulldozer. It's not just a construction machine, it's a game-changer on the battlefield. From urban warfare to humanitarian missions, the D9 has proven itself to be an indispensable asset. What makes this bulldozer so unique? Let's dive into its incredible features and operational history. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring this bulldozer changes everything. Israel's insane D9 Caterpillar. The D9 Caterpillar Bulldozer, originally designed for heavy construction and earth-moving tasks, has been heavily modified for military applications. Its history dates back to the late 1940s, when Caterpillar Inc. first introduced it for civilian use. However, its role dramatically changed during the Arab-Israeli conflicts, particularly in the 1967 Six-Day War. The D9 is equipped with a powerful engine, typically a Caterpillar 3406 diesel engine, which produces around 400 horsepower. This immense power allows it to tackle tough terrains and perform demanding tasks. The vehicle's weight, approximately 60,000 pounds, contributes to its stability and effectiveness in various environments. But what truly sets the D9 apart is its armor. The Israeli Defense Forces, IDF, have heavily armored these bulldozers, making them resistant to small arms fire and shrapnel. This transformation allows operators to work in hazardous environments, significantly increasing the chances of survival. Equipped with a specially designed blade, the D9 can push aside rubble, create fortifications, and level structures with ease. Its size and power make it not just a bulldozer, but a formidable presence on any battlefield. The D9 has a myriad of uses in military operations. One of its primary roles is in engineering support, clearing debris, creating roads, and preparing sites for military operations. For instance, during the Second Intifada, the D9 was utilized to demolish the homes of suspected terrorists, a controversial tactic aimed at deterring future attacks. The bulldozer's ability to demolish structures while providing cover for troops has made it an essential part of the IDF's operational strategy. Additionally, the D9 is equipped with various attachments, including a plow for snow and debris clearance and a ripper for breaking up hard soil or rock. This adaptability means it can handle different tasks, whether it's building fortifications, clearing pathways, or even assisting in humanitarian efforts after natural disasters. One of the notable operations involving the D9 occurred during the 2006 Lebanon War, where its ability to clear paths for advancing troops proved invaluable. The D9 bulldozer not only cleared debris, but also assisted in the construction of makeshift barriers to protect soldiers from enemy fire. One of the most significant challenges in modern warfare is conducting operations in urban environments. The D9 has been specifically designed to tackle these challenges head-on. Its ability to create safe passageways through barricaded streets or demolish enemy strongholds while minimizing collateral damage makes it invaluable in urban combat scenarios. In 2014, during Operation Protective Edge, D9 bulldozers played a crucial role in clearing pathways for ground troops entering Gaza. Their robust design allowed them to withstand incoming fire while performing their mission. The use of the D9 has transformed how military operations are conducted in cities, allowing for greater maneuverability and strategic advantage. Moreover, the D9 has a psychological impact on the battlefield. The sight of a heavily armored bulldozer can intimidate enemy combatants, creating fear and uncertainty. This psychological warfare aspect is an essential consideration in military strategy. Despite its military applications, the D9 bulldozer also plays a significant role in humanitarian efforts. After conflicts or natural disasters, the ability to clear debris and make roads passable is crucial for recovery and aid delivery. For example, after the 2010 earthquake in Haiti, Israeli forces deployed D9 bulldozers to assist in recovery operations. Their ability to remove rubble quickly and efficiently help to expedite rescue efforts and provide essential services to the affected population. Furthermore, the D9's role in humanitarian missions highlights the dual nature of military engineering, where vehicles designed for warfare can also be utilized for reconstruction and aid. The D9 is not just an ordinary bulldozer. It has undergone numerous technological advancements to enhance its capabilities. Modern D9s are equipped with advanced GPS systems and automation features that allow for precise operation, making them easier to use in complex environments. The integration of drones and surveillance technology has also improved situational awareness for D9 operators. By using aerial reconnaissance, crews can plan their movements more effectively and minimize risks during operations. This synergy between manned and unmanned systems represents the future of military engineering. However, the D9 isn't just about destruction. It also serves as a symbol of the duality of military engineering. In addition to its combat roles, these bulldozers have been used for humanitarian purposes, such as clearing rubble after conflicts or natural disasters. After the 2010 earthquake in Haiti, Israeli forces deployed D9 bulldozers to help in the recovery efforts, showcasing their versatility beyond warfare. This multifaceted use highlights the ethical discussions surrounding military vehicles and their roles in both destruction and rebuilding. Interestingly, the D9 has also been featured in various documentaries and military expos, highlighting its role in modern combat. Many countries have taken note of its effectiveness, prompting discussions about acquiring similar models for their armed forces. Now you know about this bulldozer changes everything, Israel's insane D9 Caterpillar. But there's more to explore. You should also know about this German tank will change everything. Here is why. Understanding how different military technologies shape warfare dynamics is crucial for anyone interested in military history. If you enjoyed this exploration of the D9, don't miss our previous video, The Most Iconic Military Vehicles Used in Movies. You'll be amazed at how these vehicles are portrayed in cinema compared to their real-life counterparts. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.